Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to categorize or tag your employer stock grants, that is RSU or ESPP, in Empower. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So when you are tracking your RSU or ESPP transaction in your Empower, all you can do is simply use specific descriptive tags or categories to accurately track the unique tax and cost basis implications. So if you are using like your RSU grant, if you are like using the combination of such transactions, then your primary category will be income. So you can specially specify these tags like equity compensation, grant date, unvested, and something like that. So if you're looking for ESPP contributions, then you can categorize it into the primary term of transfer and expenses and specify the tag as payroll deduction or ESPP funds. You can simply use a combination of broad categories and specific tags for effective tracking. You can simply have key data points to track manually, like grant, offering period date, vesting or purchase date, and fair market value. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.